Question number 1 is breast is composed of, and the options are glandular and fatty tissues, connective and fatty tissues, glandular tissues, and connective tissues only. And the answer is option A, glandular and fatty tissues. The next question is recommended daily allowance of vitamin A in infant is, and the options are 400 international unit, 600 international unit, 800 international unit, and 1000 international unit. And the answer is option A, 400 international units. The next question is IQ is, and the options are measure of present functioning ability, measure of future potential, tested by tests which are culture free, and Indian check system. And the answer is option A, IQ is measure of present functioning ability. Intelligent quotient. Next question, normal amount of amniotic fluid is, and the options are 1000 ml, 500 to 700 ml, 300 to 500 ml, and 500 to 800 ml. And the answer is option A, 1000 ml. Next question, breast is situated between, and the options first and sixth rib, second and sixth rib, second and seventh rib, and fourth and sixth rib. And the answer is option B, second and sixth rib. Next question, anterior fontanelle is, options are lambdi, glabella, bregma, and coronal. And the answer is option C, bregma is called as anterior fontanelle. Next question, the inlet of pelvis is called as, and the options false pelvis, brim, true pelvis, and grim. And the answer is option B, inlet of pelvis is called brim. The area of membrane between the skull bones are options fontanelle, suture, vault, and segregated. And the answer is option B, sutures. The area between skull bones are called as sutures. Next question is the negative effect of intravenous nitroglycerin for shock management is, options are increased cardiac output, increased blood pressure, reduced preload, and reduced afterload. And the correct answer is increased blood pressure, option B. Antioxidant in diet includes, and the options are vitamin A, vitamin E, selenium, and all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Folic acid deficiency occurs in, and the options are iron deficiency anemia, hemolytic anemia, hemorrhagic anemia, and none of this. And the answer is option B, hemolytic anemia. Next question, HbF hemoglobin fetal level can be increased by use of, and the options azacitidine, butyrate, hydroxyurea, and all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, hemolysis occurs in which of the following? And the options are Kala Azar, babesiosis, hydroxyurea, and all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. The length of fallopian tube is, and the options are 10 cm, 10.5 cm, 12 cm, and 11 cm. And the answer is option A, 10 cm. And the next question is the normal fetal heart rate is dash dash per minute, and the options 120 to 160, 100 to 120, 140 to 180, and 100 to 120. And the answer is 120 to 160 per minute. Post exposure immunization is done for, and the options are measles, smallpox, rabies, and chickenpox. And the answer is option A, measles. Oil and grease are sterilized by, and the options are hot air oven, autoclaving, filtration, and eradication. And the answer is option A, hot air oven. And the next question, the virus with the smallest genome is, and the options are reovirus, parvovirus, picornavirus and HIV. And the answer is parvovirus, option B. The next question is Ebola virus is, and the options are retrovirus, filovirus, arbovirus and arenavirus. And the answer is arenavirus, option D. Single standard DNA virus is, and the options are parvovirus, poliovirus, adenovirus and rabies virus. And the answer is parvovirus, option A.